Nrsinga Vesha Deki Mahatejomai Patachari Bhage Loka Panabhara Bhai. Seeing Vishwambara appearing very fierce in the ecstasy of Lord Nrsingadev, people ran from the street and fled here and there, afraid of his anger. Now you understand? You would be afraid if you saw what I was describing. Hair standing in like a lion's mane, red eyes, 7 feet tall, yelling, Maro! Maro! Pashande! Club in hand. You wouldn't run? Because is he Lord Chaitanya now? Yes or no? No. Who is he? He's Sakshat Narahari Bhagavan ki. Sringa Chaitanya ki. Sometimes devotees have that name, right? Sringa Chaitanya, the Sringa Chaitanya. So that they saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so many times. He was in school. He was a schoolboy, Nimai Pandit. He argued with Keshava Kashmiri. He has his toll, his Sanskrit school. He's swimming in the Ganga. He's carrying his books. He's a respectable Brahmin. There's no reason for Bharabhai, big fear. Bharabhai. They're very, very afraid. Like you see your friend every day, he's okay, he's your friend. But one day he shows up at your doorstep, his eyes are completely red, he's totally intoxicated, he's got his AK-47 in his hand. He says, hey, I'm going to kill you! You're going to stand, hi Joe, how you doing? You're going to run. The guy's cracked, isn't it? Your same old friend, he's not the familiar face you're used to. So that's why they ran. He's in the ecstasy of Nrsinga. He is Nrsingadev. Avesh means you are that. What does it mean, Shakti Avesh? Parasrama is a jiva. And when Bhagavan enters into him, he becomes Bhagavan and kills all the 21 times the Kshatriyas. And then it's called Shakti Avesh Avatar. Isn't it? This is told in Laghu Bhagavatamrita and other places. He's an empowered jiva. You think, he's a jiva, I'm a jiva. Parasram, get lost. Acha? He had the power of God. That chopper was like a Sudarshan, was like 1,000 Sudarshan discs. He's like, pfft. But then Ramachandra came and whoop, withdrew the power. He took the power back. Took away his credit cards. Couldn't charge anymore. Then he went to the Himalayas. He's one of the Chiranjeevs doing meditation in the Himalayas, blessing Bharatiya Vasis. Bhagavan Parasarama ki. Called Shakti Vesh Avatar. Vyasadeva, he's a jiva. He's writing. Sometimes Vishnu himself takes the role of Vyasadeva. And Brahma also. But generally it's a jiva. So he's empowered to write all these scriptures. Isn't it? So now the Lord himself has become the Nrsingadev.